Hey, so previously we made this like a one click to paste this functionality, but what about one click to copy? Um, Unluckily, in SwiftUI there is no like out of the box solution. But I won't give you a full experience because right now you just got one click paste, which is weird, right? You should get like a one click copy. And we got like UI kit. Um, there is an outbox solution, so I'm going to wrap this UI kit inside of SwiftUI. So we got a sort of like a native solution for it. So what I'm going to do is to add a command N, another Swift file. I'm going to save this as a like clipboard manager. Okay, clipboard manager. Good name. Okay, so first I'm going to import SwiftUI, and of course, more importantly, I'm going to use UI kit for it. And this will be clipboard manager, and I'm going to make it its observable object, so we can observe the changes here. So again, thumb, and I'm going to say copy to clipboard. Okay, and I'm going to pass a specific text, string text, of course. And in UIK, there's a out-of-box solution called UI pasteboard. Okay, and I can get general string that specific text. Okay, once you got that, this is kind of like extension. So when you want to use it, you first declare a observed object. Okay, so you observe this, wait for a change, clipboard manager. That will be our clipboard manager. Okay, so let me so before you actually paste it add the text here, I'm going to first copy it. Okay, so click copy to clipboard, and I'm going to add another button here, and this button will be click to copy this text to clipboard. Okay, and what I'm going to do is to do a little bit of hack, get hold of this and execute the code by using the clipboard manager dot copy to clipboard. Okay, we already write this copy to clipboard function. Okay, and then passing the string, and the string will be, I believe I already copied that, so click to copy this text to clipboard. Wow, something like that. That doesn't really matter, just got something that can click and copy that. And then we get the text, show it. You can add a divider just to make it more separated. Okay, save it and run and wait for the results. Okay, so click to copy this text to clipboard, right, and paste, and we got this text. Okay, that's pretty good. And of course you can change this to maybe like an input box. You input it and click, you automatically copy it, and then you can automatically paste it. Okay, yeah, I'll leave this as a challenge for you guys to, yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Thanks, bye.